Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of some new products from Uncle Funky's daughter. Stay tuned. So in today's video, I am so excited to be unboxing some new products from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the new thermal collection. I am so excited about this. Let's get into it. So in this beautiful box, there is a pamphlet, and this is the Stand Up to Heat Maximum Thermal Protection, and this is the new collection from Uncle Funky's daughter. I am so excited about this collection. I have not straightened my hair in about 3.5 years now, so stay tuned for a video coming up real soon where I'm going to be straightening my hair. So let's get into these products. Absolutely loving this box. Absolutely loving it. So in the box we have the Maximum Thermal Protection Purifying Cleanser infused with silk, bamboo, and quinoa to prevent heat damage for all hair textures. So the word is pronounced quinoa, but I'm definitely going to mispronounce it a few more times. So we have the Purifying Cleanser. Then next we have the Maximum Thermal Protection Deep Conditioner infused with silk, bamboo, and quinoa to prevent heat damage. And this is also for all hair textures. And then we have the Maximum Thermal Protection Split End Serum infused with silk, bamboo, quinoa to prevent heat damage. So it seems like all the products are made with the same ingredients. Definitely excited about trying these. Next up, we have the Maximum Thermal Protection Primer, which again is also infused with silk, bamboo, and quinoa to prevent heat damage. Because that is the goal when we straighten our hair. We definitely don't want to be left with any damage. And then the last product in the collection is the Maximum Thermal Protection 3-in-1 Shine Booster, infused with 11 essential oils for unending shine. Also inside of the box came this cute little bag, and in the bag we have some hair accessories. We have a wide tooth comb, we have a brush, which I'm in need of, and then we have some hair clips. Nice, cute little tote. You can also put my travel size products inside of this little bag because I am definitely going to be doing some traveling this summer. Okay, so now that I've introduced the new products in the line, let's go a little further and see what they smell like. So this is the Purifying Cleanser, and this comes in an 8-ounce container. And it says it fights heat damage with 1 silk-infused clarifying shampoo. Cleanses, strengthens, and hydrates the tresses while providing a foundation of thermal protection with silk, bamboo, and quinoa. Has a salon smell to it. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I'm getting a clean salon sort of smell from the shampoo. And now the deep conditioner says it strengthens the tresses with 1 quinoa infused deep conditioner. It provides a layer of thermal protection, revitalizes the hair, replenishes moisture, and reduces breakage with a formulation of silk, bamboo, and quinoa. So let's see what the conditioner smells like. Conditioner has that same clean salon smell. I'm so excited to try these products out. And then our maximum thermal protection says get that freshly trimmed look with our reparative split-end serum. Let's open it up, and they all kind of have that same clean salon smell. Okay, and then our maximum thermal protection primer says stand up to heat damage with our silk infused heat protectant. Same clean salon smell. And then the 3-in-1 Shine Booster, which has 11 essential oils in it. It says delivers unending shine, strengthens the hair, and reduces frizz with 11 essential oils, including manoi, grapeseed, avocado, and coconut oils, plus vitamin E. The oil smells the same. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so excited to get into these products. So the very next video that you're going to see from me is me with my straightened, undamaged hair using my new Uncle Funky's Daughters products from the new Thermal Collection line. Stay tuned. Hope you all have enjoyed my unboxing video. I cannot wait to get into these products and review them for you. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button now, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss this next video, because it's going to be fire. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.